All you'll need is a T15 Torx bit and a 7mm socket. Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. There are 2 door hinge bolts on this Hotpoint model. Sometimes the door will need to be removed to easily access the bolts. If the door needs to be removed, unscrew the 4 screws holding it to the door hinge. On the last couple of screws, make sure you're supporting the door or ask for help, as we don't want to drop and damage any of the glass or plastic. The bolt can then be removed with your 7mm socket. Unpackage your new door hinge bolt, and with your new bolt begin to thread it in by hand and then finish it off with your screwdriver or ratchet. Reattach the door to the door hinge and rescrew the 4 screws back in place, again making sure to support the door. Lastly, check to make sure the door opens and closes correctly. And that's it, your new door hinge bolt is all set to go.